Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a Mastercard gift card without registration, step by step. Step 1. Locate your card information. For physical cards, scratch the back to reveal the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. For digital cards, check your email for the same details. Step 2. Visit the official activation website or call the toll-free number printed on the back of your card. Make sure you are using the official channel to avoid scams. Step 3. Select the option to activate your card without creating an account. Many issuers allow activation directly through the automated system. Step 4. Enter the card details carefully. Input the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as shown on the card. Double-check for typos to avoid errors. Step 5. Follow the on-screen or automated instructions. Some systems may ask for your zip code or other verification information associated with the card purchase. Step 6. Confirm activation. The system will notify you that your Mastercard gift card has been successfully activated and is ready for use. Step 7. Check your balance if possible. Some issuers provide an option to view your available balance online or via phone, ensuring your card is ready for purchases. That's it. Following these steps allows you to activate a Mastercard gift card quickly and securely without registering an account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.